Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everyone? Welcome with Mr. Moath J B. Today we're going to talk about IELTS writing essay, problem and solution essay. In this lesson, you will learn how to answer problem solutions questions in IELTS writing. Task 2. This type of questions gives you an issue and asks you to describe some common problems associated with it and propose some possible solutions. In this lesson, you will see problem solution question sample, learn band 9 answering strategies, see full band 9 answer, learn how to generate ideas. Question sample. This is an example of problem solution question in IELTS writing. Despite a large number of gyms, sedentary lifestyle is gaining popularity in the contemporary world. What problems are associated with this? What solutions can you suggest? How to answer the question? Before starting to write your answer, you should think of 1 to 2 problems and 1 to 2 solutions so you know what to write about. In our case, how to answer the question. Before starting to write your answer, you should think of 1 to 2 problems, as we said, and 2 solutions. So you know what to write about it. In our case, problem associated with the sedentary lifestyle, obesity, problems with backbone, osteoporosis, and scoliosis. Solution: promote walking and cycling as safe and attractive alternatives to motorized transport, promote visiting gyms, and doing exercises. Now, after we have generated some ideas for our essay, it's time to use them in our writing. Remember, it's not enough to simply state these facts. You should also extend the ideas in your writing. Now, here we have example of band 9 answer structure. Although there are many possible ways to structure your essay, we will use this band 9 answer structure that has been approved by many IELTS examiners. Band 9 essay structure: introduction, body paragraph 1, which explain the problems, and body paragraph 2, which explain the effects or solutions, and conclusion. Let's take a look at each of these sections in detail. Introduction. Write your introduction in 2 sentences. Sentence 1, always paraphrase the statement you can use nowadays, today, these days to start. These days, a sedentary lifestyle is becoming more and more popular, despite a big number of sport facilities. Now we paraphrased the topic sentence or the statement. In sentence 2, say what you will write about in your essay. This essay will discuss the main problems associated with this epidemic and propose some possible solutions to avoid them. So in sentence 2, we have explained what we're going to write about. As we see, this essay will discuss the main problems associated with this epidemic and propose some or provide some possible solution to avoid them. Now, in body paragraph 1, we will tackle the problems. We will talk about the problems that associated with this issue. Sentence 1, summarize the main problems of inactive lifestyle. The main problems caused by inactive lifestyle are obesity and various spine disorders. In sentence 2, we have to explain the first problem. State and explain the first problem. You can also give an example. It's very important to expand your opinion. Imagine that your examiner doesn't know this subject at all, and you have to explain everything in detail. A growing number of body research shows that long periods of physical inactivity raise a risk of becoming overweight. This is because people burn fewer calories and easily gain weight. Now, in sentence 4 and 5, we want to describe the second problem. As usual, expand your opinion. You can give example and use linking words. Moreover, what's more, or also. Start. What's more, a lot of studies show that so-called sitting disease often results in posture and backbone problems. Due to constant sitting, person loses muscle tissue and curves spine, developing numerous spinal diseases. For example, it has been proven that about 80% of people experience backache at least once a week. Now, in paragraph 2, we'll discuss the solutions of this problem. Now, in sentence 1, we state the solutions. Then we're going to explain one by one. In my opinion, the best solution to this problem is promoting active lifestyle. How? Now, the first solution, and explain it. We have to write it and explain it. Firstly, millions of people stay less active because they use cars instead of walking. Therefore, an effective way to make people more active is to advertise walking and cycling as safe and attractive alternatives to motorized transport. Now, in sentence 4 and 5, we want to describe the second solution. Don't forget to expand your opinion. Moreover, an active lifestyle is gaining popularity because nowadays a lot of people prefer passive rest to work out in the gym. And the best way to avoid hazards of the unhealthy living is to obtain regular dose of physical activity. Thus, promoting gyms and regular exercising would increase the level of activity. Now we go to the conclusion. We have to sum up the problems and solutions we have written in our body paragraphs. In conclusion, we can say to conclude, we can say to sum up. Leading a sedentary lifestyle causes a lot of health problems, including obesity and spinal diseases. The most effective solution is to increase the level of fitness among the society by advertising physical activity. Now, as you can see here in the conclusion, we just restate our main problems and main solutions without bringing new ideas. Leading a sedentary lifestyle cause a lot of health problems. Now I have to mention the problems: obesity and spinal diseases. These problems that I have focused on them in my body graphs. The most effective solution, this we can say it can be solved by increase the level of fitness among the society by advertising physical activity. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.